A healthy engine relies on proper compression in each cylinder to ensure efficient combustion and optimal performance. However, encountering low compression can be a concerning issue, impacting your engine's power and fuel efficiency. Watch the video to learn about the typical reasons for low compression in your engine and the steps involved in determining the precise cause of the problem. It's Max the Car Guy. Subscribe and let's get started. Leaky valves. Both the intake and exhaust valves are located on top of each cylinder. The intake valve allows fuel and air to enter the combustion process. The exhaust valve allows the gases that result from this to exit. These valves have the potential to prematurely leak gas if they overheat. You have low compression after this. More frequently, as valve seals deteriorate over time, gases are able to escape and the compression of the cylinder decreases. Head gasket failure. The space between the engine's top and the cylinder head is sealed with a gasket. A tiny hole will remain between the cylinder and its head if the head gasket malfunctions and begins to break for any reason. The gases in the cylinder leak out of the gasket's hole in this situation, which is referred to as a blown head gasket. Then, your performance will be subpar and your compression will be low. There may be a compression leak in both cylinders if the head gasket fails and between them. Bad piston rings. Piston rings that are overheated may break or sustain damage. Because the rings can no longer keep the carbon gases inside the cylinder sealed, they will start to seep through them. Low compression occurs as a result of this kind of leak, as you are undoubtedly already aware of. Holes in piston. You are undoubtedly aware that an engine's cylinders contain pistons. Usually constructed of aluminum alloy, these pistons are meant to withstand the force of combustion. Hot spots will, however, form on the piston if the engine is overheating. These areas will eventually burn holes all the way through the piston. After that, low compression will occur as a result of gases seeping through these holes. Worn timing belt. In every engine, the camshaft and crankshaft are connected by a timing belt or chain. The camshaft would stop turning if the timing belt broke or suffered other damage. This indicates that the intake or exhaust valves cannot be opened or closed correctly. No gases will be able to escape as a result of the destruction of the combustion in the cylinders. As a result, you have low compression. How to fix? Using a compression gauge, you must first determine whether your engine genuinely has low compression. As this process typically takes 45 minutes, plan ahead and have some spare time. In the event that you do not own a compression gauge, you can either buy one or have the car pressure tested by an auto repair shop. The cylinder, piston, valves, and gasket are inspected to determine if any are damaged or broken if low compression is discovered. You can then replace anything that is broken. Nevertheless, since the engine needs to be removed, this will be an expensive and time-consuming task. Be ready for that. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.